This is a beautiful area for having breakfast, free time, very pleasant, beautiful flowers. Even when the sun is up, there's a nice view and you can stay here. Let's go and sit inside. It's a very important habit to take the shoes off. Nobody wears shoes in the room or in the guest house. Very nice, very fresh. Oh, this is here. This is a welcome juice. It's too hot. Fresh. So this is the ground floor, the reception, and there are 5 rooms. TV, Wi-Fi works perfectly, and they may have double rooms or family rooms. And family rooms have a large bed and a single bed. This house has 2 floors. This is the first floor. Now let's go upstairs to see the top floor. Okay, now let's go on the first floor. Here's another beautiful terrace. And again, it's a good habit to leave the shoes off. And let's enter the first floor. Very pleasant fragrance in the air. So let's gorgeous room. You have every day you have fresh water. Wi-Fi works perfectly. This huge bell, and you have a view on the surroundings. And this is the bathroom. This guest house only has 1 year, so everything is brand new. It's a gorgeous shower and everything works perfectly. Hot water, shower. It's really nice. You have a window, any kind of wire. They provide you with soap, fresh towels. Let's kill the mattress. Oh, so comfortable. So amazing. Very nice. Beautiful floors. The ceiling has a fan, and otherwise air conditioning is perfect. You also have a mini fridge. Anything you may need. Let's see the garden. Up here. Nice table and chairs. Very nice. Let's go on the very, very top floor, where you can admire beautiful sunsets. Really on the You can see it's a brand new building. Everything is so new and well done. This is beautiful. And you can look around, and actually the view is right there. The Bikini Beach is like 5-minute walk, and it's very, very handy. You get out of this house, in a few minutes you will be at this lovely Bikini Beach. Come soon. Come